Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point. My name is Bill Herr, and today I'm going to show you my new listing. This is a 2022 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard. Starting back here on the back, you can see that nice white Mercury Verado 300. Great power option for this boat, able to accommodate a lot of guests. You can also pull skiers and tubers, and then you get that nice giant sun pad off the back. So if you're hanging out at a sandbar, you're anchored up somewhere, nice lounge area, the kids could be down in the water enjoying that time out on the water for the day. As you come into the boat, you do have a nice cooler underneath that hatch, so you don't have to climb on and off the boat. If you are hanging out, you don't have to get the boat all dirty, but if you do need to come in, you have that nice freshwater wash down there, and then you have the transom stereo remote to be able to control your audio out there that day. As you step inside the boat, you see the nice wraparound seating. Again, able to accommodate a lot of guests, family or friends. This boat is yacht certified, so you can put as many people as you are comfortable as the captain on the boat. Please do so safely, though. Don't load the boat up with 25 people and try to go out boating. But you can see, very well appointed, nice white sports tower. Again, with the speakers up top. Audio option on this boat is phenomenal. Great for entertaining, hanging out, enjoying some family and friends, and a fun day out on the water. Do have the seats here that convertible both ways, so you can add to that entertainment space. That nice snap-in sea deck on the floor, very comfortable on the feet. Nice if you have little ones running around, if they fall down or something like that, they're going to land on a little bit of padding, which is nice. Up here at the helm, you got the 12-inch Simrad all touch screen display, same as the Fusion control over there. And you have like your nav lights, anchor lights, lighting accent, and then on this side you do have the windlass controls. This boat does have a windlass, which is a nice option, and then the digital throttle to go with that 300 Mercury Verado. On the port side over here, nice large head compartment, vacuum flush head. It does have the interior upgrade, so you get the shelving with the storage and the countertop there, and then a freshwater sink as well. Everything does drain out of there, so it can get wet. You can hose it out if you need to. Heading up to the bow, again, nice wraparound seating area. It does have bow filler cushions. You can fill that in, make it another nice giant sun pad. Again, this boat's all about entertainment and enjoying the time out on the water with those family and friends. You can see those speakers that go along with the entertainment package. And then that windlass that we spoke about up off the front. Spin back around here, just give you a little bit of an overview of the boat. Again, this is a new listing. It's a 2022 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. My cell phone number is 484-680-4392. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.